Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can use Tripadvisor for your business. First go to tripadvisor.com. Then sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. I will continue using my Google account. After signing in, go to this more section and find an option of add a place. If you don't find it here, like mine, scroll to the end of the page and click on advertise with us. Then here click on these three dots and click on add a place. Here you have to give all the information of the place you want to rent. After giving all your information about the place, click on save and continue. Now they are saying your location is under review. After they will review your location, people can see your place on this app and can contact you to buy that. And this is how you can use Tripadvisor as a business. I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.